Right here.
Yeah.
I can see my finger. I mean, I can just. Yeah, so there's that, and then this one here. Yeah, it's.
Boy, that's beautiful.
There's just nothing there.
And there's a nest of carton up there.
What is it called?
Carton.
That's like their nest.
Yep. Well, that's what they'll make in between walls. It's chewed up cellulose, chewed up wood.
Yeah.
And some of their frats and that sort of thing.
So it's just like a whole.
Oh, look at all that carton. So they may have scattered permanently when you opened up the first one. Well, we'll see, I guess.
Yeah. You still see a lot of ants there.
Yeah, if there's ants, the ants may have come in afterwards and started eating the termites. You can probably pull that out as one big chunk.
Ants galore. There's an ant nest for sure. So, see the ants?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it was really wet when I pulled the wall open initially.
Nope. Oh, wait, what about down below here on the right of the window? Right here.
Oh, those are definitely termites. That's what they termite nests, but that stuff is called carton. But clearly, you've had the ants invade and eat up all your termites at this point.
That piece at the top out, the moisture kind of evaporated out of that space. So now they're retreating to where there was more moisture down below.
Yeah, not just more moisture, but more good wood, it looks like, too. This is solider.
Wow.
Yeah, we've got to bag
Pretty
some of these
neat.
up and get them into the traps.
Yeah, here, let me rip the rest of.
So much more solid wood. So we're now going to brush all of these into one of the bait traps. Good as we can, anyway. Adding a few termites found inside the house into the bait station. This is before the trap with the active ingredient is installed.
Is this one of the ones he activated?
No, that's just got a cellulose, kind of like a wood-like material in it.
Contains no active ingredient. They just consume the tree. Is that kind of what their purpose is in this universe?
Yeah, just like the fungi, or the decay fungi anyway.
Yeah.
They, somebody's got to turn over all this stuff, otherwise it just sits and collect.
Yeah.
If you